it's me, Blake, once again, and today, guys, it's kind of cold in my room, so yeah, guys, that's why I have a blanket on, and guys, I'm going to be showing you a dinosaur and a snake fighting. I know, they're both dangerous, so yeah. That's why I'm doing this. Because sometimes I do dangerous, sometimes I don't. If I could find my phone, then I'll do it on my phone. I would play something on my phone, but I don't know what my phone is. So guys, actually no, I'm going to do something nice today, guys. I am going to do something nice. It's real nice. Okay, y'all guys, please, I'm going to do like something like Batman and Superman and Spider-Man and Tony Stark, Iron Man, whatever you want to call him. And then I'm going to, once I get these guys out, I'm going to get out my Hulk that I got for my birthday. It is pretty cool. So guys, I do want y'all guys to see this. Yes, me, my Batman, and now my Hulk. Now guys, got it. Now guys, I'm going to get my blanket on, untangle myself. My arm. Okay. That was crazy. Okay, guys. Bad cord. Bad cord. Okay, guys. As y'all can see, guys, this is a piece of birthday wrapping tape because I got it for my birthday, duh. And that was a very long time, guys. If you haven't seen it, that was when I moved into this house, and I said I was 6, so yeah. Guys, this is like a brand new house. This is, but it's not brand new anymore, guys. It is not brand new anymore. It was a brand new house. My first video of this house. At this view. Look at this view. This is my house. My new house. As y'all can see, guys, my little Christmas tree. It's like right there. Could y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Oh! Yes, I have a bad cough. So yeah. Now, guys, I'm going to be unboxing my Hulk, which is I haven't unboxed it yet. See, it's my Hulk. He's so mad. He is so mad. He's so mad. You know, guys, how Hulk is mad. Oh, there's Iron Man. Oh, I have a Captain America, but I can't find him. So So guys, I'm going to be unboxing my Hulk. Today guys, it's almost Christmas. Tape. This is for, and it's hard because it has tape. Oh, I did some of the box off of it. But I can just open it normal. Shoot. Let's do this. I need to resume and do this. Now guys, it's time to open it. Wait, now the tape is stuck on the finger because it's the same as I can tape. Got it. Guys, look at this thing. Guys, I have a problem. Can you see me that? No. Guys, on the ankles and the arms. Oh, dude, no. That is not cool, bro. Not even one bit. Not even one single bit. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I can't even unbox the whole thing. I know guys, y'all wanted to see the whole entire thing. Yeah, but on next time. Bye!